Hi, my name is Yodit Herman. I recently just graduated from Kenyon College with a biology degree. I currently live in Portland, Maine. Some of my hobbies include horse riding, reading, going to the beach, obviously, during the summer. And I'm currently going to start doing research for Maine Medical, which I'm really excited about. So that's kind of a new step that I'm gearing towards. So my reasons for kind of taking this course is because I did not take biochem in college, but I'm hoping to go into medical school, and I'm hoping to take the MCAT in September. So kind of preparing myself for that. But overall, yeah, I'm really excited to take the course. I'm really kind of excited to learn new things and kind of build off the concepts I've already learned. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.